I'm here with the crew. So first we have
Jessica Cargill. You can follow me on YouTube as well. Nicole, no YouTube.
Colaz.
Oh. Cantaberry, spearfishing adventure. You can follow me on YouTube as well, you guys. Yeah.
The shy one over there, sir.
Climber.
Alright. And socks. Guys, you know see them. You know see the beat, everybody match out. So guys, I'm going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure right now, so just stay tuned. So everybody about to leave right now, so follow us on the journey of Portland. So let's go. Now come out of the car, dash with some rubbish.
In the receptacle.
In the rubbish bin. People, tell me now. Me go to the garbage bin. It's not one garbage bin because there's nothing on in it for drop it. And I ain't putting it down at the top of it. So whenever I see the next rubbish bin now, I try to have my sweet things on rubbish bin and people, I'm show you what I really say. People, this me say, when you see it, me this weird thing say I want garbage bin. When me go look on top of dash with some, I can't dash for nothing. So that's what's up. So we're gonna leave now. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. As you guys saw in the other vlog, I went to Somerset Falls. I went to spend a little island, a little shore, and we're going to fry up some saltfish and roast some breadfruit. So I want to show you guys now how when stuff actually start, cut off the breadfruit peel, and then I'll cut it now. Oh no, breadfruit powder. Then I will show you the seasoning them and everything. So somebody gonna get a lighter. Or if you come on campfire and if you get a lighter. So I'll get the lighter now. Cook up something and then we'll go back in to the town. So basically that's what my weekend is right now. So if you guys definitely enjoying this so far, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's see what am I doing. People, we have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 breadfruit. We already take off the stem already. And understand? I will cut this in half. So when it's a roast now, the steam go inside and cook inside. So basically, that's what's up right now. Guys, right now, I got shell of mango. No, I don't really like mango when it's soft. They said this mango is called what colors? What you said this mango called again? Long mango?
White name long and long.
Yeah.
Long.
And look how it's short.
Long.
So that's what's up. I'm gonna wash it off over by the sea. So Colaz gonna go look some wood and come back. Yeah. So may I see if we can go up and wash it off. I don't want to go too far, people. Kenta? What name again? Cantaberry? Remember your name? You can wash yourself home, please? I'm not really good with names, people. Sorry. I can't even work with you for a month. I can't name. Let's wash it off. And this is the view. Woo! And we'll look over the pot side now. Colors are due with the stove. We go hunt with them. Thanks. This is almost like number 11. Guys, comment below all the mangoes you know. Guys, now finish the manga here and come back to it from raw. Raw. So yeah. Jessica, what's the name of that?
Mommy.
Bombay?
Mommy.
Mommy?
M-A-M-M-E-E.
What it tastes like?
This is ready? Yeah. Where is it? It does taste like apricot. Right?
What it tastes like?
Jessica get this prepared. I'm going to look on this.
That's what inside supposed to look?
Mommy, isn't it?
There's a big seed in there.
Yeah man, you call it mommy guys. I'll show you what I want. Sorry, just let me get this. Yeah, so this is how it look. When time we look, we usually just bust it in a two and kinda we call it, we say bark it out. We never bark out coconut there. That's how we usually eat it. We never usually peel it like this, but today we make a fruit bowl.
It tastes firm.
So Jessica will deal with the fruit bowl. So we got the seasoning because we have a roast breadfruit and
never see that
So
before,
I'm actually
guys.
curious how you, because that's how I saw it, they prepare it. You can cut that the way you used to cut it.
oh, alright. So we usually just get
Sorry.
oh very nice. Alright, so we usually just bust it in half. See? So we usually do it.
So the thing in the middle is a seed.
Yeah, and get out the seed. Once you get out the seed, you can just, as I tell you now, I'll show you with a little piece. Usually bark it out, you know. So, see it here? And get out the seed. That one here can like it overripe still. But once you get it out,
Oh, the skin just come off, so?
yeah, or you can just eat it like this, but
Let me taste that one.
one here kind of overripe, so you kind of watch. Tastes like mango.
Everybody have to fill me in, like easier.
It have a taste, it have a...
Yeah, but I'm used to it. My mom
Tastes like
said,
pie.
something.
It have a taste where I can't tell you what it tastes like. You see there?
I'm kind of dry, like pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Like uncooked pumpkin.
So,
I look like pumpkin now. Bite it now.
I feel like that one here is not the nicest one still. I feel like
Guys, I'm gonna try it for the first time. Because
that
I'm
one here-
sampling.
that one here is not the nicest one.
It usually comes very sweet or no?
Yeah.
It's not very sweet.
This fresh. This fresh man. The mommy tree.
I'm not
I want to know something.
I like it.
No, like. No, it usually nice. Yeah.
People, I don't like it. I don't like it.
That one here now go and go. Alright, so what about
But let's try it over this one.
Why?
Really?
Jessica get everything cut up together. We have apple, we have banana, we have
Mango.
and when we say apple, we are talking about our real
Oat-eaty.
Jamaican apple. See? Yeah. And when I talk about banana, I talk about the real banana, I talk about the carbine one them where you see. Them paste a little stick up and mark St. Mary upon it, them that foolishness. I talk about them one. Yeah, they get from them. Straight out of the farm. Yeah, them one them I talk about. And we have sweet pepper, onion, tomato, hot pepper, Irish, scallion thyme. Because you know say, we have a roast breadfruit and fry up with saltfish and them things so. And that I go on for water. Yes, sir! Out there. Oh, sucks.
Guys, yes, you said the fire starts.
The fire. Start out.
Well ready.
I don't know, we're not wasting time. I just chop on the breadfruit them. The vlog here kind of different, guys, cause you know, the little YouTube link up. I will just have fun and yeah, we just have power from Somerset Falls. So if you notice, we're not in a regular bush clothes, isn't it? Yeah, so regular bush clothes not gone away anymore. Anytime when you see the next video, go back in our regular bush clothes. Today I just the vibes. What we are working on the beach. Yeah. So I get to in the breadfruit then.
So guys, so this is the calabash to put your food in. 1 apple drop. So we have tomato, we have mango, long mango, we have coconut, we have Irish, we have sea pepper, we have plantain, we have scallion and thyme over there. So, and so this is how the little vegetable plate look. While the fire is looking like this. Acha, you have been sandcastle.
Yeah, no, can't get this.
Breadfruit, don't know everything fire out and baking. You see if one of them the roast me that carry one home.
You carry from my roast.
The one right there, so.
Can I carry him there?
What?
Give me that roast breadfruit for carry me.
No. You get you get the unroast.
So me have a roast it on my stove?
Yeah. You have a roast breadfruit on your stove yet? Eh? Where is it? You offer it enough. You never taste the feel good.
You go there, you know.
Give me a taste. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's lovely thing from Cargill.
Thanks. This is my plate, guys. Yeah, go ahead.
Hey people, yes, it was a lovely day out. So we're here, and you can also find me on my channel. My name is Jessica Cargill, and that's the same name of my channel. So check it out. And it's also all about adventure, diving, hiking, and all the niceness.
So the link already in the description, guys. And everybody know Colaz, but just Colaz, just anytime usual.
Yeah guys, big up on yourself. Yeah man, tune in on Colaz TV. Check it out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Yeah man, big up Petagaye life. We're out here on the beach, see there? Nice and lovely. Yes!
Take your time. So guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I'll finish eating my food and my calabash and go home.
Yardy divers, yes.
So thank you again so much for watching, you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next upload.